Hello. This video shows you how to change the toner cartridge for your HP LaserJet 1020 printer. As you can see, this is actually the LaserJet 1020. You see its characteristics, specs. So it's fairly simple to use to change. You lift the space containing the toner, just right here. You simply take out using this little handle, pull it out. Take the next toner. The next toner has a little sliding slots right there. Just go ahead, align them, and just let it slide in very easily, very smooth. You just push it down and it goes in. You can see as the door is open, the door is flashing orange light. When you close it, the printer will automatically just go ahead and check the cartridge. If it's correct, the light should go green. Excellent. So this completes the video on how to change the toner cartridge in your LaserJet 1020 by 24/7inktoner.com. Thank you for watching.